can't breathe a push ready.
Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself before watching the video. So we're gonna kick off everything with Usain Bolt confirm COVID-19. Yes or no? Is it? But otherwise be a topic. So tune in and watch the video. Is it? Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy dancehall. Alright people, so the retired Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt says he is still awaiting results of the coronavirus test. Noting that he has not had any official communication from the Minister of Health and Wellness.
Good morning everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed of COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay from my friends. And also having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, you should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy and just to make people know, be safe out there. Alright? Cool.
Retired Jamaican superstar sprinter Usain Bolt say him wake up like everybody else, check social media and saw where it was saying that I am confirmed to have COVID-19. He said, is it pray? So the man never established nothing like that people. I just the people them a spread false rumors. Says it. Yeah man, like some of them news article and thing and vlogger to see him way, see me, but right now sometimes false information can spread, so that's why you have to know where you do more what. But end of the day we hope to see say yo him not have no COVID-19, is it? Cause it would look away for no say yo superstar like them people they said we in a position where it's liable for all them all of it. All them keep one event the other day for his birthday. I don't know if I that one. Is it? But enough liabilities there, but otherwise I hope the dog govern and thing. Is it pray? Yeah. Right people, so see the hot video I'm know more so now wait fun. So tropical storm Lara last night or early this morning, it seemed like this morning I go on bad down a wall. See what I go on now.
Oh God! I can't breathe a push ready. Yo! Bumbo clot! Lick up in it! Lick up in it! Boom! Lick up in it! Shit! Yo! Yo! Run, boy! Yo!
When people are baiting a gun in a Jamaica, man, no jokes, is it? All the vice principal for Excelsior, is it? Look like a one teacher I'll set up our life because I did not read the report yesterday still, but I feel like I'm going to talk about it again due to how I feel grave, is it? Big man in a 53. I say it at my Kingston, Jamaica, is it? 2 men have been arrested and charged with the April 9, 2020 murder of 53-year-old Colleen Walker, former vice principal of Excelsior High School. So from April that this really take place and now in August. And for sure you see them on the case like Miss Later. Is it? I mean so far them charged 33-year-old Mr. Raymond and Randy Raymond, what them call teacher, and 31-year-old nigga there what them call is it, by the name of Michael Small. So them get charged with murder and conspiracy to commit murder and illegal possession of firearms. So right now them probably go court and them get charged long time and they are jail. I mean cause at a point them a say the investigation come out for busy of them, so them have to go plead guilty, and it look like them plead guilty for it reach a point where them know say all teacher involved, you see, pray. But I'm glad for know say if a them still she get justice out her thing right this one. No lie, is it cause a joke thing that this one. People, like me say, if you still watch the one you got at cause watch our next prayer. A bridge was washed away in St. Thomas, right? And hundreds of residents in Cedar Valley, Georgia and Trinityville have been marooned in the community after a bridge that connects these areas to Seafort and Moran Bay was washed away by heavy rain yesterday. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force right now, JCF, in a Twitter post last night said that the bridge in question stood along the Trinityville Maid Road near the entrance to Font Hill. It fell victim to rain associated with the tropical storm Laura. Tropical storm now going so good guys, so the outer bands of which have been affected the island so far, you see. Right now its impact will spread, if the people them don't know what them do. Me I tell you straight, the trendy dancehall, is it. Right now me I tell you people, nobody cannot cross it, is it. Hope them go on build still and know the style, cause a quarantine already and I like them in a rush, but I can't say that though. Why am I not going to say that? Because people have business money for make.